Good afternoon. Again, in our previous video, we have made our unique roll number and their marks within 0 to 100. Now, in that case only, means in that situation only, we have made linear search. Suppose if I put the roll number to know its marks, then it will show me its marks, and that code is here. This is the code which I have, and this I have done in exit control infinite loop. Exit control infinite loop. Okay, this is our previous code. After completion of this code, we will do linear search on those roll number. Okay, before doing that, before go through it and explain it in details, let's check whether it is perfectly running or not. Our previous code we already know, asking for size. Suppose the size is 5. Roll number at index 0 of array roll. So suppose roll number is 1, 90. Again, if I give 1, then roll number already exists or equals to 0. So I have to give another roll number 5, 65, 70 roll number, index roll number. Okay, if I give 6, okay, then he got 20, or let's give 100. Sorry, invalid marks, try again at roll number 6. Sorry, invalid marks, try again. Less than 0 and greater than 100 means invalid, that I have discussed in my previous video. So now what I am going to do, enter the marks at roll number 6. Okay, 45, 7, 89, roll number 490, roll number 90. Okay, my mistake. Okay, at roll number 90, marks obtained 78. Enter the student's roll number to obtain the marks. This is the linear search. Suppose if 6, at roll number 6, it should show me 45. Yes, roll number 6 scored 45 in examination within 100 marks. Yes, do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, in this list, if I don't have any roll number, such roll number which does not exist, if I give, then what happens to? Sorry, roll number does not exist, try again later. Do you want to continue? Yes. Roll number 90 got how much? 78. Scored roll number 90 got. Now no, get out of this loop. That's it, nothing more. Now let's get started. This I have explained in my previous videos. Now I have declared some other variables. Variable roll number and character type means for choice. Roll variable declarations. Now our do while loop or exist control infinite loops task from here. Enter the, this is roll, enter the student's roll number to obtain the marks. This is scan, this is conversion specifier, address operator, locate the address of the roll number, which allocate where this variable roll stores, allocate some memory. There will you give input and there it will store our value. That's it. Now I have discussed it many more times. Now for I is equal to 0, and I in our previous case only many time initialized, here only I have initialized in our previous video. That again I have reinitialized equals to 0, then I should be get less than size of array, means less than size, means size of array minus 1, then I plus plus incrementation. Inside this loop, this is decision making body statement. If roll, which I have given as input, equals to roll number, within this 0 to size of array minus 1, within this range, if the roll number exists, then it will show me the marks of that particular roll number based on this index I of each, which is same, and then break the loop for that unique particular roll number. But if there is no match, it will go for up to 0 to the size of array of I minus 1. There is no such match, then it will not break. And after the final incrementation, of an array, I will be size of array, and then get out of this loop or for iteration. And in between, if match occurs, then it will print this and its marks and break the loop. At that time I will not be equals to 0, and if after the final, if there is no such match after the final incrementation and I equals to size of array, then it will say sorry, roll number does not exist, try again later. Then it is an f plus stdin. Stdin means standard input. F plus is flash the cleans the buffer memory where we have already stored this kind of integer type values. And why we need to done it? To restore value of character type and vice versa, otherwise irregularities will be created. Okay, now entering the choice, here is the do while condition. First time it will go on as this is the exit control loop, and infinity condition I have given. If I press Y, then it will again start from do, and if I press no, then it will exit the do while loop and then return value 0. And in function means main function returning any value means termination of program. That's it. Let's run this code again and check. Suppose 3 numbers at index 1 1, suppose 23 at index 2 2, suppose 45 at index 2 means 0 to 3 means 0 to 2, at index 2 roll number should be 6, 80. This I have shown. At if I give unknown roll number, then it does not exist. Try again I am press yes. If I press Y n, then it exits the loop, and if I press 6 at 6, it contains this. That's why I want to continue again. At 1, this shows me this. Again at 2, this shows me this. That's it. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much.